Because today, those of us here, we have APC leaders, we have PDP leaders, we have ADC leaders. Maybe Labour is even, but I don't think three political parties are here present. So that's how we call it. I call it critical stakeholder meeting. And I have a prepared speech written by myself, which I'm going to read to all of us. Then after that, we give room to our leaders to make comments. The meeting will help us. So I'm not going to take much of your time. I believe some of our leaders have this speech. Those cannot pull out the whole number. I think I only asked for about 43 people to come so that I can brief you across the states. Maybe we are up to that or more than that speech. Speech delivered by Right Hon Leke Abejide, and the only elected official in the National Assembly and indeed Nigeria, at the critical stakeholder meeting held on 1st August 2024. I welcome you all to this important meeting of the critical stakeholders of Leke Abejide Political Family, which cut across ADC, APC, PDP, and other parties in Kogi State, and indeed across the country. This meeting was called by me as your principal to brief you the political development, especially in my political party, African Democratic Congress, in recent times. Many have asked me questions if I have can't or still in ADC. Let me first appreciate all my political admirers, lovers, and followers in ADC, in APC, in PDP, for your cause to join hands with the performing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to move this country forward. I owe you a great lot of gratitude, and I want to assure you that I will give your overtures a thought when I conclude whatever my decision is. You shall be informed in an enlarged meeting much bigger than these critical stakeholders of today. Today, I want to inform all of you that I have not declared. And I'm a strong member of the original ADC, not coalition ADC. I equally want to tell you that we shall join hands together to chase out political marauders that came from PDP, Labour Party, and part of the disgruntled APC member into our party ADC. I have been watching their characters since they claimed to have become into my party ADC, and now it's clear to me that they came with a notion to hijack the party structures, suppress the original members, and use the party to achieve their aims and objective, which is dead on arrival. The scenario in Kogi State especially is a mockery of democracy, whereby those who came in through the window yesterday are now claiming to be the leaders of the ADC in Kogi State. When I was announcing the party, where were they? The way they destroyed their political party, PDP and Labour especially, we will not allow them to destroy this like that. On this premise, we shall show for legal opinion and way forward. And I may likely approach court as the highest member of the NEC of African Democratic Party to challenge the illegality of the current so-called interim National Working Committee. Or even though they have transformed themselves to National Working Committee without election, we will meet at appropriate time. The normal procedures is that NEC is supposed to meet with a highest member of the NEC, which was not what happened, and deliberate on the possibility of National Working Committee resigning their positions and new one be elected. But there was no such thing at all. To the constitution of ADC and by INEC regulation, Chief Ralph Nwosu is still the national chairman of ADC. Therefore, everything the so-called coalition has done is a nullity and is hereby rejected by us. There is going to be a new coalition of ADC, PDP, Labour Party, from original members to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second time. For the naysayers, you are only digging your political grave as you all go into political oblivion after 2027 when the president went his second term. Finally, I want to advise the coalition people to look for alternative political platforms when they can play their hijacker roles, or they should pursue the registration of the African Democratic Alliance (ADA) as the original members of African Democratic Congress do everything legally possible to chase them out of ADC. It is now clear that they came with the aim of attacking the party structure, destroy it, and thereafter move away to another political party again. I appreciate your loyalty and support. Kindly note that I value you all, because without your support, ADC will have been deregistered long ago, when other political parties will not win a seat in all elections. They were deregistered by INEC. I remain the most loyal and highest political office holder in African Democratic Congress, which nobody can dispute. I have contested on ADC platform and won back to back. And my honorable must be given to me. I will resist any attempt to hijack the party at all levels. Thank you.